Hey, it's Sarah from Jotform. In this video, I'll show you how to set up automated reminder emails so your attendees never miss a meeting. Start by opening your prepared form from your workspace. Click on the Publish tab at the top of the form builder. From the left-hand menu, select the Email tab. Click Schedule a Reminder Email. You can customize the subject line to match your tone and brand, edit the email content, or use the placeholder template provided. In the Recipients tab, adjust the sender name, reply to email, and recipient settings. If you'd like to control when the reminder is sent, go to the Schedule tab. Choose how far in advance the reminder should be delivered, minutes, hours, or days before the appointment. You can add multiple reminders if needed to reduce no-shows. Once you're done, click Save. Preview your form and test the booking flow to confirm the reminder email works as expected. And that's it. Your attendees will now receive automatic reminders at exactly the right time. Thanks for watching. Explore more Jotform appointment features, and we'll see you in the next video.